In this video, I'll show you how to fix a trimmer head that won't screw on a trimmer because the nut inside has fallen out of place and it now makes a rattling noise. Here's how to fix it on this particular trimmer head that you can find in the video description. Push both of the buttons on the upper trimmer head with one hand and with the other, pull the trimmer head apart. Just like this. The nut is inside this middle piece that you cannot remove by simply unscrewing it. But here's how you do it. Take a pair of grippy gloves, grab both ends of the headpiece and use one hand to hold the larger part and with the other twist and pull hard on the central cylinder piece until it comes out. When separated, take out the spring and nut. The reason the nut fell in is because it had lateral support only, but nothing else that keeps it from sliding up and down. So as you prepare to screw it on the trimmer, a small push instead of a twist can make the nut fall out of place. To fix this issue, we're gonna glue the nut in place by using a hot glue gun. Firstly, glue the internal sides where the nut sits. Use glue all around so it gets a uniform hold. Next, carefully insert the nut in place and push it down. Remember to wear gloves for this part. Next up, glue the top sides of the nut so you cover all side gaps. Flip the head and use a screwdriver to remove excess glue so it won't interfere later on. I've let the glue cool down for about 3 to 5 minutes, so now it's holding the nut firmly in place. Take the spring and put it back in its place. This long slot over here has to match with the bump on the cylinder cover. You'll have 4 of these, so just position them correctly. After that, use both of your hands to push them together until you hear them click in place. With that done, we can test if the push-rotate option works. And it does. Perfect. Now take the top cover, align the 2 holes with the 2 side plastics of the bottom part, and push them together until they click in place. And there we go, our trimmer head is fixed. Now we can finally screw it on the trimmer with no problem at all. Even if you pushed on the nut, it won't drop inside. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like. And if you're new to this channel and like electric tools and seeing videos on how to fix them and real-world tests, then consider subscribing.